Okay, today we're going to look at converting a traditional drip system into a Blumat system. If you might have a drip system in your greenhouse, this is an easy way to convert the whole thing over without replacing the supply lines. So here we have a row of 5-gallon pots. Each one's being watered by one of these little shrubler type drip emitters. It's on a 1/4-inch line to a 1/2-inch line. You turn this valve on, you get water flow. A lot of greenhouses are run on timers like this. They provide the same amount of water to every plant every day. That's not what plants want. Plants want different amounts of water on different days, and depending on their size and where they are in the greenhouse. So we're going to convert this over to a Blumat system. This 1/2-inch supply line we reduced down to pressure down to 15 psi. So that will have a constant 15 psi line in it. We'll take the shrubler, we'll cut it off. I'll take a 1/4-inch to 3mm transfer barb, insert it here. I'll take a conditioned Blumat carrot and mount it here and connect. And as simple as that, we have converted a drip system into a Blumat system. If you have a greenhouse you want to convert over, it's really simple. It's way more affordable than you might think it is, and we're happy to help design that for you over at Sustainable Village. Thanks.